of back-breaking work, making our hill into a bobsled run. 2 days ago, I didn't even have a sled till my neighbor dropped one off. Now we have high-tech ducky bumpers on the trees, berms and banks, and a lawn tramp made out of a house. Here we go. Brilliant. 2 days of back-breaking labor paid off in the one perfect run. I think I could sleep here because I can't feel my legs.